Second time at the Grammys, he's acted funky. Leave it to Kanye to act like he's a junkie with a spastic eyeballs, brain like a vegetable. Dog has balls, but the IQ of pantyhose. Cue the headlines, his actions were brutal. A pop star claiming that the loser shouldn't lose, you know. Taylor said she knows how insane he can be. About a couple of years ago he did it to her speech. Kanye keeps raving as he runs to the stage about Beyonce's better and his feelings are hurt. Can't believe, and it's making him see there's artistic violation when a cracker's winning anything based on race. There's no place in his art for a tiny white man or an Amazon from Hershey Park. Yo, Butthead. Boy, on the Grammy Awards, there are winners. Kanye, not married to Jay-Z. Drive-by mic appearance. Boy, on the Grammy Awards, there are winners. Kanye, not married to Jay-Z.